Welcome back to another episode of Lovely Cooks Stew. We're making Texas caviar. Let's go. We have three types of beans. We have black beans, black-eyed peas, and two types of beans and corn. We're just gonna start by getting the black beans opened and rinsed. We're only going to be using a half a can of each. Be sure to drain the corn before adding, and we're not going to drain or rinse the black-eyed peas. They're seasoned and we want that in there. So now I'm just about to dice my tomato and add it to the bowl with the canned vegetables. You also want to be sure to de-seed the tomato so that it adds as little liquid to the caviar as possible. Dicing 1/2 green bell pepper and adding it to the other veggies in the bowl. Okay, now I'm just dicing my white onion, and I'm only going to use a half an onion, and we're adding that to the other veggies in the bowl. Okay, so next up, we've got our jalapeno, and we're just going to continue with the same. Dice it, add it to the bowl with the rest of our veggies. So let's start our dressing, we're just going to be combining some extra virgin olive oil with vinegar, either apple cider vinegar or red wine vinegar. And to that, we're going to be adding our seasonings. You can use chili powder. I had smoked paprika on hand, garlic powder, salt, and pepper. I used my blackening seasoning because it has so much good stuff in it. And then I also had a spice that combines garlic powder, salt, and pepper in one canister. And then throw some honey in there. All of this is to taste. I opted to brighten the flavor with a squeeze of lime and combine well. This is where we want to go ahead and toss in our dressing and give it a good stir. Cover and chill for a minimum of an hour. Myself, I prefer eating it after it's been chilling overnight, but for me, no less than 4 hours. And I like to eat it with chips. If you find another way that you like it, go ahead and enjoy it that way. You can replace the green bell pepper with red or yellow. You can replace the canned corn with frozen corn. And the beans can be replaced with whatever you have on hand. If you prefer to use sugar instead of honey, just make sure you have the amount. I hope you enjoyed this recipe. Please let me know below whether or not you tried it and how it turned out for you. Thanks again for joining me.